Did you know that your HVAC system draws the most energy in your home? That's why it makes such a huge impact on the quality of your living experience. And most people don't upgrade their systems until it's too late.
When it comes to energy costs for homeowners, close to half of it comes from heating and cooling solutions. So mini splits or ductless solutions can help improve that by 20, 30, or even more than 40% compared to legacy systems. And they do that by being extremely flexible, so they can be used as supplemental heating and cooling solutions or can be used for full system overhaul. Another major advantage is that systems today work at very low temperatures, so they can really provide those energy efficiencies year-round, both in summer and winter for cooling and heating.
Most people know TCL for innovation in consumer technology, but that same commitment to smart, intuitive design now extends into home comfort. With HVAC solutions designed for efficiency, convenience, and year-round comfort, TCL is helping homeowners rethink what heating and cooling can look like in their home.
TCL has been a global technology leader for decades. While we're well known in North America with our electronics and TVs, we're actually a powerhouse in HVAC and solar energy and smart home and even battery storage. What we're doing the last few years is bringing that technology over all of that energy efficiency into solutions that are built for homes in North America. So at the end of the day, we're trying to bring that technology to comfort solutions that align to homeowners' needs, especially keeping in mind the fact that home improvement costs have risen significantly over the last few years.
When it comes to modern homes, flexibility matters. TCL's ductless mini-split systems offer a smart solution for spaces where traditional HVAC just isn't practical.
Ductless units change the game a little bit because now we can get in areas where there is no space to store a unit. Now where you didn't used to be able to have air conditioning or you would have to have a window unit, we can now put these mini splits, have ductlesses on a wall, and now you can cool certain areas where we never used to be able to cool before. The first floor, in particular, a room like this, which is a sunroom, and we're on a slab, cathedral ceilings, we're finally able to put TCL mini split on the wall and cool this area. TCL HVAC products have a really great price point. They're very reliable, super efficient, and they're very easy to install. They're very installer friendly and service friendly. One of the benefits of having a ductless in your home is having different locations with different comfort points. Every unit on the wall will have its own thermostat, a handheld remote that you can set in particular what you want to that room. So let's just say you have 4 air handlers scattered throughout the first floor. Each one of those can be set to their own individual temperature. So if you're in a living room versus your partner might be in a bedroom, if your partner likes it at 70 degrees, but you might like it at 62 degrees, it gives you that ability to have 2 different comfort zones in 2 different areas of the house.
Over the last 30 years, I've seen technology change with products being more efficient. Mini splits have come a long way. Now the technology has gotten a lot better, where they're able to heat and cool homes at a lower or higher temperature, and they're a lot more efficient. TCL units were a good option for efficiencies and the way they look. The remotes are easy to navigate, and you're able to sense temperature from the wall mount unit or the remote, and it gives you the option to actually hook up Wi-Fi to your phone. As a homeowner, you should be looking for quality, efficiencies, and a sleek design. And that's why we choose to install TCL.
From smart technology to energy-conscious performance, TCL's HVAC solutions are designed to make home comfort simpler, smarter, and more personalized than ever. So what's the takeaway for homeowners? Start by asking the right questions.
Homeowners have a challenge that a lot of the legacy solutions that are installed in their homes today just use too much energy and are not efficient. So adding a mini split or changing a whole system with an inverter and a heat pump can bring significant energy cost reduction over time. If a homeowner is looking for a solution that's ultra quiet, that improves the comfort of the home and also brings significant energy savings, a TCL mini splits is the perfect solution.
If you'd like to learn more about TCL's innovative solutions for your home, visit their website, us.tcl.com. You can find their products at Home Depot or talk to your local HVAC contractor. You can also visit our website, designingspaces.tv.